If you've been looking for a standout stick vacuum that doesn't break the bank, let me introduce you to the ElecKeys K30 I was just gifted. Now this promises to have super strong suction up to 55 kPa, a 65-minute runtime, and some very smart aspects to its design so it can fold and go under things cleanly. You don't have to drill into walls for its charger, all the good stuff. So in this video, I am going to unbox it, set it up, and put it to the test. Now the box itself has all of the instructions, and then when you open it up, it has a very thick user manual, but that's because it's in multiple languages. One thing I really like about this manual is that it's all image-based, so it walks you through everything visually. And then, of course, we have all the elements. Let me get this all out of the box. Now I just took everything out of the box, and the one thing that stands out to me the most is how lightweight this is, even with the battery locked into it. This is really, really nice. It still has a little heft once you add the battery, but compared to so many stick vacuums, this feels really nice in my hand. Has a great handle that I can hold on to easily. This really nice LED screen that looks like it comes with, yes, a little sticker on the top, so you can peel that off, which you probably will want to, just have it be more clean, more easily touchable. And then this has a few elements going on here. You have your dust release. So when you want to just have it pop wide open, it will open up and release all the dust. Let me see if I can get that to pop open using gravity. There it goes. And then you can twist this whole section apart. And then you can see right here that you can pull out the HEPA filter. Now what's really cool about this is that you can fully wash this as well. You can submerge it, get it fully clean. It also does come with a brush, which is easier to get everything out of it before you get it fully immersed if you want to wash it. And this top little element comes off too, so you can fully clean this of all the pieces that get stuck on it before they go through the filter. And one thing to keep in mind with that is that you do not want to put this back into your vacuum while it's wet. So you actually get two of these. You can swap them out as you're cleaning them, and this is just made to last. I really like that. I love when they design these to be more reusable. So really nice there. That just twists right back in. And then I can just put back on this top. I'm just looking for the lock point on it. And there it is. So it's on unlock with a little arrow, and then just twist it in. This is ready to go. And then the next piece that I want to show you is the main base. This is your powered roller right here. It does have a roller release, which you just pop out. So you can take this out and easily clean it. That is really important for me. With a long-haired kitty, this will get covered. So I definitely need to be able to pull this out. You can actually wash this as well. And it just locks right back into place. And then the other piece that's really nice about this is that it has great bend. It can basically go flat, really flush to the ground. And that also will lock into place straight upright. So the whole stick vacuum, even with the weighted handle, can just sit upright without you having to worry about it. That is really nice. And on top of that, the main pole has a fold point, which I absolutely love. This makes it so easy to get under beds or anywhere else without you having to stoop over, because it will bend for you. So this just clips right into place, and all of these have the power running through them, so it snaps in like that. And so then you can see that when you press to fold, it's gonna fold and give you a lot of leverage there. And then finally, of course, you can snap right on the top and you have an upright stick vacuum. Now that's not all. The next part I absolutely love is that the base is what it charges on. It has these little electrodes right here that connect to electrodes right here on the base. So it just sits on its little station to charge. And then it has just a nice cord. You have 6 feet of cord here that just plugs right in on the side, and that's how it charges. Really nice and clean, don't have to drill into the wall, simple, small. And then it comes with a couple accessories as well. It kind of threw me at first because this piece didn't seem like it connected to anything, and that's because it goes on this piece right here. So then you have kind of your upholstery brush or corner vacuum, and then you can pull this down for a more focused nozzle vacuum. So you can add this directly onto the main element here, and it just snaps right in. So now you have your hand vacuum. And then if you want, and all these do have really easy buttons to snap on, snap off, you can also use this piece right here. And this one's really cool in that it's basically a flexible hose. And so it's really nice to get into crevices, work into spaces you can't get into otherwise with the whole vacuum. So with this, I can get this behind, say, pieces of furniture, behind my TV media center, things like that. Gives me a lot more flexibility. So whenever I use this element, I'll probably plan on using it with the hose as well. So this, to me, can all stay together. But it also has a nice little stand portion on the charger where you can just hook those pieces in as well. Now, first impression on all the elements, really nice. But of course, the key piece is how well it vacuums and how long it lasts. So let's put that to the test. I'm about to start it up, but before I do, I just want to turn it on for you. And you have bare floor, carpet, and turbo. And for my first test, I've thrown sugar on the floor. And I'm just gonna go across it one time on bare floor and see how this goes. So I will step to make it go down, turn on bare floor, see how it goes. And I gotta say, that worked really well. I love the light on it because it shows everything, but you can also see pretty much perfectly where the sugar lines are. So it just went straight down. It cleaned everything without spraying the excess sugar everywhere. The only thing that got a little dirty is a little bit of sugar on the wheels, but that's really nice. And as you can see, it can sit on its own. I'm not holding it. It can just stand on its own. So really nice there. I'm gonna vacuum up the rest of this real quick and then test it on carpet. Now for the carpet, I just poured what I just vacuumed off the floor. So those huge hairballs came off the floor as well. I didn't even realize how dirty the floor was. And I'll turn it to carpet this time. Now you may see that it showed a warning on the screen and that the spinner actually turned off. And that's because the spinner was trying to pull the carpet up into it. So it has exceptionally good suction, but it also, with the spinner stopping, worked beautifully. I was able to clean up everything without issue, so very clean there. And then the final piece is if I press this button here, I can now easily slide under things. So I can go right under the bed or anywhere else, and it's gonna fit for me. And thanks to that light, it's going to see everything as well. And one of the last things I love about these is if I grab something that I didn't mean to grab, I can actually take it out, and I can see that I grabbed what looks like a marble, and it actually catches it in the larger section. Oh, it's a bead. And I was able to take it out easily without all of that sugar and everything falling out as well. Now the last piece I should figure out, but it's gonna take more time, is that battery life. I don't think I had it fully charged, but the battery hasn't gone down on it at all yet. I assume the 65-minute promise is for the bare floor option, and if I went into carpet or turbo mode, it would shorten drastically. I would be shocked if turbo mode gives you more than 20 minutes of runtime, but that is what I expect. Maybe it'll exceed that. Overall, I am very impressed with this vacuum. It has all the features I want to see and is a much more affordable price than a lot of competitors. If you are looking for a fantastic stick vacuum that has the power, the ease of options, the suction, and a really impressive promised runtime, I think you might like this ElecKeys quite a bit.